We asked ChatGPT for the top 100 questions that people asked Google about their hair. Number 9, can stress cause hair loss that needs a transplant?
If you already had hair loss related to just genetics and hormones, stress can accelerate that loss and put you into the transplant category a lot sooner than somebody who maybe didn't have that level of stress. But usually, if you're having stress related hair loss, removing the stress and waiting a little while will allow the hair to grow back. So it really depends on where you are in the hair loss process before the stress happened. Now, usually, if you go through a big stressful event, either you got very sick, you have one of those major life events like a move, getting married, having a spouse die, having a parent die, having a child, starting a business, all of these things are hugely stressful. There's even a top 10 list of the most stressful things that people go through. Any one of those things can accelerate hair loss. And sometimes it's just what's called a telogen effluvium. A telogen effluvium is fancy doctor word for a big shed. And a big shed is going to regrow. You just got to give it some time. The best thing to do in cases like this are to talk with a hair doctor who really knows what they're talking about and optimize your medical therapy. Hair medicines can turn hair loss around and regrow hair that is lost due to stress pretty quickly. You'd be amazed what we can do these days. So talk to your hair loss professional and don't sign yourself up for a transplant until you give your hair a little bit of a chance to come back.